Have you ever wondered what it would be like to live on Mars? Mars, the fourth planet from the Sun in our solar system, has long held an allure that transcends the barriers of time and culture. This red planet, with its rusty hues and intriguing landscapes, has sparked the imagination of humans for centuries. In literature and film, Mars has often been depicted as a mysterious foreign world, home to alien civilizations and fantastical adventures. From the alien invaders in H.G. Wells' War of the Worlds, to the Martian landscapes in Ray Bradbury's The Martian Chronicles, Mars has been a staple of science fiction, a symbol of the unknown and the frontier of human exploration. But beyond the realm of fiction, what is it about Mars that stirs our curiosity and fuels our dreams of interplanetary travel? Well, it's not just the allure of the unknown. Mars in many ways mirrors our own planet. It has polar ice caps, just like Earth. It has the tallest volcano and the deepest canyon in the solar system. These physical characteristics make Mars an appealing target for exploration and potential colonization. However, Mars is not Earth's twin. It's a harsh environment with a thin atmosphere, frigid temperatures, and a surface blasted by radiation. Yet despite these challenges, the prospect of living on Mars is not a far-fetched idea. It's a possibility that scientists and engineers are actively working towards. Mars is more than just a planet. It's a symbol of the human spirit, our curiosity, and our insatiable desire to explore. The red planet beckons us, inviting us to uncover its secrets, and perhaps one day, to call it home. Our fascination with Mars is not new, but the possibility of living there is a recent development that has captured the world's imagination. As we stand at the precipice of a new era of space exploration, the dream of Mars colonization moves closer to reality. The journey to Mars begins with the dawn of space travel. In the mid-20th century, our species embarked on a new chapter of exploration, a journey that would take us beyond the confines of our home planet and into the vast expanse of space. The first steps were tentative. The initial rocket launches were not propelled by astronauts, but by the audacious dreams of humanity. Unmanned missions such as Sputnik and Explorer 1 paved the way, proving that it was possible to break free from Earth's gravitational pull. Then, in 1961, a new era dawned with the first human spaceflight. Yuri Gagarin, a Soviet astronaut, became the first person to orbit the Earth. His journey lasted a mere 108 minutes, but it marked a significant leap forward in space exploration. The space race was on, and the goal was the moon. The late 60s saw the culmination of years of intense effort and innovation with the Apollo missions. Neil Armstrong's iconic first step onto the lunar surface in 1969 was not just a giant leap for mankind, but a testament to human tenacity, ingenuity, and the desire to explore the unknown. However, these pioneering space missions were not without their challenges. Unpredictable space weather, technical malfunctions, and the physical toll on astronauts were constant reminders of the dangers of venturing into the cosmos. Yet these early setbacks did not deter our pursuit. Instead, they spurred us on, pushing the boundaries of our technological capabilities and our understanding of the universe. These early missions laid the foundation for the exploration of our solar system and ultimately, the journey to Mars. They taught us invaluable lessons about resilience, innovation, and the indomitable spirit of human curiosity. As we stand on the precipice of a new era of space travel, we look back at these milestones not just as historical events, but as stepping stones on our path to the red planet. These early missions laid the foundation for the exploration of our solar system, and ultimately, the journey to Mars. Today, our journey to Mars is already underway. The red planet, a symbol of fascination and the next frontier, is being explored as we speak, thanks to our advanced technology and insatiable curiosity. Currently, robotic emissaries are our eyes and ears on Mars. The Mars rovers, such as Perseverance and Curiosity, are at the forefront of this exploration. These tireless machines traverse the rugged Martian terrain, collecting invaluable data and capturing breathtaking images of a world millions of miles away. They have been tirelessly probing the Martian surface, seeking signs of past life and studying the planet's climate and geology. But it's not just the rovers. Orbiters, like the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, are equally important in this grand endeavor. They're up there, in the Martian sky, mapping the surface, tracking weather patterns, and serving as communication relays between Earth and our rovers on Mars. Their observations from above complement the work of the rovers on the ground, providing a comprehensive picture of what Mars is like. From these missions, we've gained a wealth of knowledge about Mars. We know now that the planet once had an environment suitable for life, with flowing water and a thicker atmosphere. We've discovered intriguing geological features, like the largest canyon and volcano in the solar system. We have even found organic molecules, the building blocks of life embedded in Martian rocks. These discoveries have reshaped our understanding of Mars and have excited the scientific community. But they have also raised even more questions. Was there ever life on Mars? Could there be life there now, perhaps hidden beneath the surface? These are the mysteries that future missions seek to unravel. Yet these missions have a dual purpose. They're not only about understanding Mars better, but also about preparing for the day humans set foot on the red planet. They're helping us figure out how to live and work on Mars, how to utilize its resources, and how to protect ourselves from its harsh environment. These missions are not just about exploring Mars, but also about preparing for the future colonization of Mars. This, folks, is the exciting reality of our current Mars exploration. The future of Mars colonization is closer than you might think. It's a thrilling topic, one that sparks our imagination and teases our curiosity. The red planet, our celestial neighbor, has been the subject of fascination for centuries, and now we stand on the precipice of turning science fiction into reality. So, what are the plans for the future? Well, multiple space agencies worldwide, alongside private companies, are crafting ambitious strategies to send humans to Mars. NASA's Artemis program aims to return humans to the Moon by the late 20s as a stepping stone for the eventual manned mission to Mars. Meanwhile, SpaceX, under the leadership of Elon Musk, has a more aggressive timeline with plans to send its Starship to Mars within this decade. However, the journey to Mars isn't a simple weekend excursion. It's a massive undertaking riddled with challenges. The voyage itself could take anywhere from 6 to 9 months, depending on the alignment of Earth and Mars. Then there's the harsh environment of Mars to consider. Its thin atmosphere, cold temperatures, and radiation levels pose significant risks for human health. Yet, amidst these challenges lie immense opportunities. Mars colonization could jumpstart a new era of technological innovation, much like the space race did in the mid-20th century. It could push the boundaries of human knowledge and capability, forcing us to invent new technologies and systems to survive and thrive on a different planet. Moreover, establishing a self-sustaining colony on Mars could serve as a lifeboat for humanity, providing a backup in case a catastrophic event were to threaten life on Earth. It could also pave the way for further space exploration, enabling us to venture deeper into the cosmos than ever before. The journey to Mars is filled with challenges, but the rewards could be immense. As we stand at the dawn of this new era, we can only speculate about what the future holds. Yet one thing is certain: our journey to Mars will be one of the most exciting chapters in human history. But what would it mean for us as a species to colonize Mars? Let's start with the scientific advancements. Mars colonization would be a milestone in human ingenuity and determination. It would push the boundaries of what we know about space travel, survival in extreme environments, and perhaps even life itself. We would learn more about Mars's geology, climate, and potential for sustaining life. These revelations could lead to advancements in various fields, from technology to medicine, and even agriculture. The journey to Mars would also force us to innovate in terms of energy generation and conservation, recycling, and self-sufficiency. These innovations could have profound implications back on Earth, helping us to combat climate change and to live more sustainably. But there's more to it than just science and technology. Mars colonization would also have deep philosophical implications. For the first time in our history, we would become a multiplanetary species. We would have to redefine what it means to be human, what it means to be a global citizen, and what it means to be a part of the universe. It could also give us a fresh perspective on our place in the cosmos. The sight of our blue planet from the red Martian soil might make us realize how precious and fragile our home is. It could inspire a new era of global cooperation and stewardship for our planet. However, we must also consider the potential risks and ethical dilemmas. Mars is a harsh and unforgiving environment, The ethics of sending humans to such a place, potentially for the rest of their lives, must be thoroughly examined. There are also questions about the potential contamination of Mars with earthly microbes and the possible disruption of any existing Martian ecosystems. All these considerations are part of the grand adventure that is Mars colonization. It's not just about getting there, but also about what we do once we're there and how it changes us as a species. Mars colonization could change the course of human history, and we are on the brink of making it a reality.